Welcome, food enthusiasts, to another episode of Foods Around the Globe, where we explore mouth-watering dishes from different corners of the planet. Today, we're delving into the diverse and delectable world of Uzbekistani cuisine. This culinary treasure trove is a testament to the country's rich history, a melting pot of influences from the Silk Road to the far reaches of Central Asia. So, ready your palate for a symphony of flavors as we embark on this gastronomic adventure. Today, we're taking your taste buds on a journey to the heart of Central Asia, Uzbekistan. Our first stop in Uzbekistan is with the country's national dish, pilaf. This enchanting dish is a symphony of long-grain rice, succulent meat, sweet carrots, and aromatic onions. The magic unfolds as these ingredients are cooked in perfect harmony within a kazan, a traditional large cooking pot that's a staple in every Uzbek kitchen. The ingredients are not simply thrown in together. No, each component is given its own time, its own space to shine. The meat, usually lamb or beef, is browned first, followed by the onions and carrots. Once these ingredients have been beautifully caramelized, the rice is added, absorbing the rich flavors, creating a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts. The result? A plate of pilaf that's a warm hug for your taste buds. Each spoonful is a medley of rich, savory flavors, a comforting warmth that makes you feel right at home. Pilaf is a dish that truly represents the heart and soul of Uzbekistan. Next, we're going to sink our teeth into a popular street food, Shashlick. This tantalizing dish is a staple of Uzbekistani cuisine, where skewered and grilled meat takes center stage. Imagine tender chunks of meat marinated in a blend of spices, then threaded onto skewers. The skewers are then placed over an open fire, grilling the meat to perfection. The result is an explosion of smoky, charred flavors that will make your taste buds dance. But the magic of Shashlick doesn't end there. It's often served with a side of freshly baked naan bread, perfect for soaking up those delicious meat juices. Accompanying this are fresh vegetables, adding a crisp, refreshing contrast to the rich, savory meat. The combination is simply irresistible. Whether you're a meat lover or someone who appreciates the art of grilling, Shashlick offers a unique culinary experience. This dish is simple, yet packed with flavors. A delightful treat that will make you fall in love with Uzbekistani cuisine. Last but not least, we have samsa, a delicious pastry that's loved across Central Asia. This delightful treat is a testament to the richness and diversity of Uzbekistani cuisine. Samsa is a beautiful symphony of simple yet flavorful ingredients, all wrapped in a golden, crispy shell of freshly made dough. Imagine a dough that's as soft as a cloud, yet firm enough to hold the hearty filling within. This dough, often handmade, forms the exterior of the samsa. And then we come to the heart of the samsa, the filling. The primary ingredient is often succulent, tender meat, most commonly lamb. This meat is lovingly chopped and mixed with an array of spices that lend it an unforgettable flavor. But it's not just about the meat. Onions finely chopped are added to the mix, their natural sweetness enhancing the robust flavor of the meat. Spices, the soul of any dish, are added next. Each samsa maker has their own secret blend of spices, but common ones include black pepper, cumin, and coriander. Once the filling is prepared, it's carefully wrapped in the dough, forming a parcel of deliciousness. The samsa is then baked in a tandoor oven, an ancient cooking method that imparts a unique, smoky flavor to the dish. The result? A pastry that's crispy on the outside, but reveals a juicy, flavorful filling with every bite. Samsa is more than just a snack or a meal. It's a delightful treat that encapsulates the essence of Uzbekistani cuisine. And there you have it, 3 must-try dishes from Uzbekistan that offer a true taste of the country's rich culinary heritage. We've journeyed through the aromatic and flavorful world of pilaf, a hearty rice dish that's a staple in every Uzbekistani household. We've savored the succulent and smoky delights of Shashlick, a popular street food that's a testament to the country's love for grilled meats. And we've discovered the golden flaky goodness of samsa, a baked pastry filled with meat or vegetables that's perfect for a quick bite or a leisurely meal. This culinary adventure has been a feast for the senses, and we hope it's whetted your appetite to explore more of Uzbekistan's rich and diverse food scene. So why not give these dishes a try? You never know, you might just find your new favorite dish among them. If you enjoyed this episode of Foods Around the Globe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating.